great to see you again. I gotta tell you, what we've been hearing in stores is that a lot of you are doing these makeup trips. Maybe getting out and taking the trip that you wanted to take the last couple of years and haven't had a chance to. Here's your chance. Okay, what are you gonna pack for that? I'm here to tell you, all right? Starting off with, what am I gonna wear to the airport? What's my travel outfit? This is my go-to. My favorite thing about this whole outfit are these pants. Okay, light fabrication, especially for summer. Okay, very comfortable as you're sitting on planes, or even if you're taking a car ride and you're doing a little car trip, road trip kind of thing. They also have a smocking, a little banding here around the waist, so no buttons, no zippers to deal with. It's super comfy. Topped it off with a very basic little white tank that you're gonna wanna pack. You always wanna pack a basic with you when you go on a weekend trip. It's always good to have those little foundation pieces no matter what you're wearing. Topped it off with a jacket, denim jacket. Again, the denim jacket, always take your jacket with you, especially if you're moving from one part of the country to the other, or if you're in an air-conditioned spot versus a outdoor spot. I mean, you just are gonna need that layering piece at all times. This one I really enjoy because it's got a little bit larger dome and sleeve. So for travel, it's great because it really doesn't matter what you wear underneath it. If you want to have a thicker sweatshirt, it'll still go on as easily as it would over a simple tank. Throw on a fun little pair of sandals. Now these are a little elevated pair, which would make it really fun. Little straps on there, so you're easy through security. You are out the door, got some hoops on, and you are set. Travel, outfit, check and done. You've deboarded that plane, you've parked that convertible, you are ready for a day of shopping, my friend. Okay, here's what you're gonna wear. What I'm obsessed, well, there's a lot of things I'm obsessed about with this outfit, but what I'm really obsessed with is this sweater. It is lightweight, it's a loose weave, not so loose that you have to wear a heavy foundation piece under it. You can still keep your typical foundation piece, but it's loose enough so that warm summer, spring breeze can breathe right through. Look at these sleeves. I mean, can you even? That puff sleeve's not going away. We love that. I love the thicker binding right here around the waist because look at it, gives you a waist. It gives you a waist, which I love. Paired it with these cutoffs with the little distressing here on the bottom, white, because you know we love to wear white in spring and summer. As you're traveling, I always encourage you to wear or bring along at least a pair of shoes that you can wear all day long that are comfortable, whether you're walking on cobblestone streets, whether you're going up and down stairs, doesn't matter. These little Harimaris are gonna get you there, okay? They're a little elevated sandal in a neutral color, straps around all the things, very, very, very comfortable. And to go with those shoes is this great bag, okay? This is from Parker Clay, Can You Even? Perfect little drawstring in here so you feel very safe to keep all your things in there as you're traveling. But here's the best part, it keeps you hands-free, my friend. Hands-free, which is what you love. So if you are doing a little sightseeing or you are shopping, you have a hand for your little Starbucks beverage and you have another hand to go through all those fun little shopping racks to find those deals, okay? So, day of shopping, we got you covered. You finished your day of shopping and you are ready for some cocktails or dinner on the patio. So here's what you're gonna wear. This darling little sundress. I'm gonna tell you, my friends, do not be afraid to show your shoulders, show your arms. Don't be afraid to do that. And I'm gonna tell you one little sneak thing about this little dress here. See how darling these little straps are? This is bra friendly. I have not just wearing a strapless, I'm wearing a regular bra under this. So those of you, if you're like me, I don't like to wear a strapless bra all the time. It's just kind of fussy. So this is very bra friendly. Ruching across the top, so it doesn't matter if you're smaller on the top or you are a little larger on the top. It's all gonna fit just perfectly. And then it just goes straight down with a cute little tier. Those tiered dresses are in for spring and summer, so you're gonna want this in your closet. I know sometimes we look at these trends and we think, oh, those 30-year-olds, they can really rock those trends. Can I at 50? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Here's another fun thing about this dress. Look at these pockets. How great. Love the pockets. All about the pockets. Throw on a little pair of slide-on sandals. Again, a block heel, so you're still gonna be comfortable and you can enjoy cocktails with your friends on your makeup weekend. All right? Thanks for joining me so much. Stop into stores, pack those bags. Wish I was coming with you, and we'll see you soon.